10 years ago, we Bloodravens destroyed the demon Alcair, ending his schemes to rot subsector Aurelia into a festering hellscape. We thought our victory would mark the end of the war for the sector. We were wrong. New demonic incursions relentlessly plagued her planets, Aurelia, Typhon, Calderis, and Meridian. In response, the Imperial Guard, the hammer of the Emperor, was deployed en masse to the sector to secure her, to defend her. Yet the incursions only grew in number, and soon were worsened by insurrection and madness among the Guard's ranks. Now the sector sits helpless, racked by constant, endless, unremitting war. We are Space Marines. We are the Bloodravens. We would act, yet we too are locked in warfare with one another. Azariah Kairos, our chapter master and chief librarian, has declared the heroes of Aurelia to be renegades. Now we are hunted by our own brothers, brothers unaware of the chapter master's secret allegiance to Alcair. A corrupt Space Marine chapter master, a militia crippled by disorder and turmoil, demons, renegades, a sector that knows only war. The Imperium has had enough. One solution remains for the sector. A solution with which I am all too familiar. The Ordo Malleus approaches, the Holy Imperial Inquisition. Their colossal ships bear the munitions to perform exterminatus, cleansing every planet of the sector of life, Xenos and human, corrupt and innocent. And in this, our gravest moment of desperation, an old enemy returns. An enemy thought dead. Slain on Cronus and again on Aurelia, Eliphas, the Inheritor, has once again come for the Bloodravens. Supported by the rot, corruption, and malevolence known as the Black Legion, his return could not have come at a worse time.
Splendid work, my brothers. Call off pursuit. Only a handful of loyalists remain. I will bathe this jungle with flame and bury them in the ash.
You will do no such thing.
Remain merciful, Lord Eliphas.
No. These are the Bloodravens, finest slaves of the dead Emperor. We owe them much more than a quick death. Come, follow me, brothers. I have an old friend to kill. Give me a challenge. Our friend cowers ahead, along with the rest of the doomed Bloodravens. Come, we must fight through enemy scouts to reach our prize. You chose poorly, loyalist.
I never tire of the delicious resistance to the warmth of you, Space Marine.
There is Brother Kane, incapacitated but not yet killed. Such is the incompetence of the Space Marines. Rise, Kane. Until you die, you serve me. Do not Your failure does not speak well of your abilities, Kane. Offer a prayer to the ruinous powers. Perhaps they will take pity on you.
I am here to lead Space Marines.
Squad upgraded.
An ambush! We are finished!
This is a nuisance, Eliphas. Could have been avoided had we burned this entire region.
What? Use what power you can. The weak point back.
Too weak to come here. Instruct you ways.
Patience, Neroth. Every kill glorifies the Dark Gods. We must press on. Take cover, brothers! As glorious and cursed as we may be, we are not impervious to enemy fire. Loyalists!
Claim it for the Black Legion, quickly before the Space Marine lapdogs destroy it. It will allow us to summon reinforcements.
For the glory of chaos!
It offends me.
Thousands smash that into the power of the Dark Gods.
It offends me.
This belongs to chaos now! To chaos!
Muster your faculties first.
Our lives for chaos!
Though weak and pathetic, heretics have their uses. The ruinous powers find pleasure in their fanatic worship. In combat, however, they are deplorable. Equipping them with more potent war gear while in the field is a small remedy. Take me to them that I may judge. Kill them all! The enemy has deployed heavy weapons. I would advise flanking the fools to avoid their line of fire.
Loyalists killed!
Space Marine!
Cover. Always ready.
Call awaits, brother! An orc ship. We should investigate the area. Kill any Xenos and take what you need. Their pitiful souls will do little to save the Chaos Gods, but oh, how they bleed. Do not presume to none shall survive me.
triumph. March!
Give me a challenge. Death to all who are the Don't know what's going on. The weak fight back. Run with your emperor. Runner kill.
We are eager to enter shifting!
Your lord and master.
Chaos!
Enemy fire.
Pointless, mindless slave.
They shall have a war. The path to ruin.
From me you will.
Death. Loyalist kill.
We will offer the enemy's souls to the
The weak fight back.
We will take it!
You shall fall, loyalist.
We will take it! For the dogs! Smash it!
Touch me and perish.
We captured it for chaos!
To crush that. A Havoc squad is required here. We will need their suppressing fire to slow and cripple the wretches.
Smash it!
Ready! Smash it!
The Blood Ravens would never leave such a shrine unprotected. Prepare for a counterattack.
Smash it!
Havocs! Ready to kill.
Ready to obey! Go now!
Confirmed.
Go, go!
I am here. Small steps corrupt. Give me a challenge.